Barev guys, in today's video I want to talk to you about another part of the Armenian language. I want to tell you everything you should know about the adjectives. I will do that in this video in 3 parts. Firstly, I want to talk about how adjectives are used and what the special rules are. Secondly, I want to speak about the positive, comparative, and superlative. For example, to say that something is not nice, but nicer, or the nicest. Thirdly, I will give you a list of the most common and used pairs of adjectives to build your Armenian vocabulary. Let's start with the first question. How are adjectives used? Adjectives obviously describe or define a noun. In many languages, you need to change the word to accommodate the form of the noun. But in this respect, Armenian is very simple. The gender of a word does not matter. Singular or plural does not matter either, and even the case of a noun does not matter. For example, poker. The Armenian word for small is always poker, no matter what. Let's have a look at more examples to better understand this. Small boy, poker dara. Small girl, poker աղջիկ. Small girls, poker աղջիկներ. I see the small boy. Ես տեսնում եմ փոքր տղային. This is the toy of the small boy. Սա փոքր տղայի խաղալիքն է. You can see that even though the same word is used in many different contexts, the adjective absolutely stays the same. Now let's have a look at how we can build comparative or superlative adjectives to use in different situations. Here we have 2 examples: good, better, best, and happy, happier, happiest. What you can see here is that the Armenian has 3 different ways to build the superlative adjectives, but we start with the positive. Good is love, and happy is yerjanik. Love, yerjanik. If we want to say better, it would be aveli love and aveli yerjanik for happier. You simply add aveli as a separate word before the adjective. The first way to construct a superlative is by adding amena right in front of the word. In this case, amena love and amena yerjanik. Amena love, amena yerjanik. The second option is adding aguin at the end of the word. In both cases, the new adjective is written together. So we will have lavaguin, lavaguin, and yerjangaguin, yerjangaguin. And there is the third way, adding amenitz as a separate word before the adjective. We will have amenitz love and amenitz yerjanik. All the 3 versions of the superlative adjective mean exactly the same. You are free to choose which one you want to use the most. I want to bring a small detail to your attention. You might have noticed that the adjective yerjanik is missing the letter E when the ending aguin is added. This is a grammar rule to simplify the pronunciation and is typical for words ending with ik or uk. For the beginning, it is enough to learn one of the forms, but you should keep the other 2 in mind just in case that you need to recognize them in written language or in a conversation. Now let's have a look at some of the most important adjective pairs you should definitely learn. Big, մեծ, մեծ. Small, փոքր, փոքր, long, երկար, երկար, short, կարճ, կարճ, thick, հաստ, հաստ, thin, բարակ, բարակ, good, love, love, bad, vատ, vատ, easy, հեշտ, հեշտ, difficult, դժվար, դժվար, right, ճիշտ, ճիշտ, wrong, սխալ, սխալ, fast, արագ, արագ, slow, դանդաղ, դանդաղ, expensive, թանկ, թանկ, cheap, էժան, էժան, old, հին, հին, new, նոր, նոր, heavy, ծանր, ծանր, light, թեթև, թեթև, beautiful, գեղեցիկ, գեղեցիկ, ugly, տգեղ, տգեղ, strong, ուժեղ, ուժեղ, weak, թույլ, թույլ. That was it. Have a look at the description to find the complete forms, comparative and superlative, for the adjectives I mentioned in this video as a downloadable. Please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos about Armenian language. Thank you for watching my video. I really hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next lesson. Bye!